आदमी कहीं भी खोलते खड़े हो जाते हैं। ये बात है, लेडीज़ से शर्म हमारे कहीं जाती नहीं है।
When I see someone urinate in public, it's actually a disgusting feeling because when there are no bathrooms available, then you're just supposed to find some bathroom or you're supposed to find some place. Now what happens, like especially in the rainy season, all of your like urination goes everywhere and nobody can step in the water. Like this happened in Bombay as well. A lot of people urinated and defecated in the open, and so when the floods actually came, a lot of people got gangrene and infections like that. So it's very, very disgusting, especially in a country where there are so many people living on the streets. It's like, do you go ahead and pee on your sofa? No, right? So you're living, actually if you're peeing on a footpath, you're peeing on someone's home. And more than that, it's just disgusting for the entire hygiene situation in a country which is already overflowed.
Okay, when we see people urinating on the roads, first of all, the feeling we get is like, ew. So it's really bad. They're polluting our environment also because, you know, when it rains, it gets all mixes and we smell it and all that. So it's not healthy, of course. And when I feel like I have to go to a washroom and I don't find it around, so the only thing I have to do is to control, because you can't find washrooms like that and you can't just go to a public washroom and, you know, it's so dirty. You can't even enter over there without closing your nose. So
गंदगी भी आती है, बदबू भी आती है हमें, है ना। आदमी तभी सुधर
क्या
सकता
चाहते हैं
है,
कि
नहीं
और
सुधर सकता।
तो आप क्या चाहते हैं, और टॉयलेट बने या क्या मतलब?
बनने चाहिए आदमी के लिए। आदमी तो कहीं भी खड़ा हो जाता है, आदमी के लिए ज़्यादा बनने चाहिए। लेडीज़ तो शर्म हमारे कहीं बैठती नहीं जल्दी से, अपने घर में जाएगी और नहीं कहीं हो जा बाथरूम यहाँ जाएगी, हैं। और आदमी कहीं भी खड़ा हो जाता है। इस लाइन में तलाश कॉलोनी की तरफ मैडम इतनी बदबू आती है, बहुत बदबू आती है, निकला नहीं जाता यहाँ से, पैदल जाया नहीं जाता। मैं तो पैदल जाती हूँ सामने टाइम, बिल्कुल पैदल नहीं जाता था, इतनी बदबू मारती है बहुत।
Now, see, for example, if you ask me a question like, ma'am, what do you do when you are out on a long travel? We do not use it. We try to control it for as long as we can.